Hi everybody, Jonathan Adley, Technical Glass Products. We're here at the Carnegie Science Center in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we're here to feature the TGP Fireframe Curtainwall with 60-minute Pyrostop glazing. This particular product was used for its ability to have a 23-foot freestanding application, and of course the Pyrostop for the utmost clarity. It uses OptiWhite low iron float glass with solidified intumescent inner layers. It was also chosen for its ability to match the non-rated curtain wall that faces the Ohio River behind me here. If you have any questions about this application or additional framing and glazing from TGP, please visit us at fireglass.com, and we'll see you in the next video.